Alrighty, hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Saka Lombardi Cat Magnum 05 here, and welcome to another hotel room tour. That's right, we are here at the Marriott Marquis in San Diego, California, and some of you may remember this hotel. We were actually here 3 years ago for a reason, and we're here for this reason again. Joseph and I are at TwitchCon this weekend from September 27th to September 29th of 2019. So I just got back from day 2 of TwitchCon, so I figured now would be a good time to do a hotel room tour. So here we go. So as you can see here, this was the main entrance. As we walk in, to the right here, there's your closet. See, there's my luggage. There's my bag of dirty clothes. Down there is Joe's and his bag of dirty clothes. There's my backpack. There's my van and a bag full of goodies. Now as we walk in here, as you can see, we have two queen size bed. This one is mine. This one over there is Joe's. Over here we have a flat screen TV made by LG. Over here you have your coffee maker and some coffee and cream and tea. Down here is a ice bucket and glass cups. Nothing down here. Here's a trash can. Here's your drawers, and here's your small fridge. Yes, we do have some drinks in here, so there you go. Over here is a work desk with a nice office chair. Here's your lamp. There's a mirror right here. Hello. Over here we have a stand where your hotel phone is. A notepad and pen for just in case of anything. Here are some power outlets right here. Press to reset red button. Got a nice chair here, which is really nice. It's like a vintage, old school looking seat there. Here's your small table for coffee or something, whatever you want to put there. Here's another lamp. We'll get to the view in just a minute. Of course, again, over here, this one here is Joe's bed. The power outlet down here. As we walk over here, we have a 2-light lamp. Here's your other hotel phone, and there's your alarm clock. It's almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon as I'm filming this. Here's some more drawers. And of course, here's a better view of my bed. Oh, check this out. I got this at TwitchCon. It's a Super Nintendo controller backpack, as you can clearly see. Pretty cool looking. Oh yeah, pretty cool looking. And look at the back here. It even has the power and reset switches for the Super Nintendo itself. It's pretty cool. Anyways, over here we have two nice pictures. Hold on, there's a glare from... Gosh dang it. You know what? Let me turn this off real quick. There you go. Now you can see a little better now. Got two nice pictures. Now I can go ahead and turn this back on. Your smoke detector. Whoa, hold on. Almost forgot. Over here, a guest book is where you put it, and I don't know what's in this drawer. Okay, it's empty. Did not mean to slam that. There's your thermostat right here. See, See, I'm just trying to make sure I'm not missing anything in here. Just looking around. You know what? I guess I can go ahead and show the view. Okay, so this is what our view looks like. Now, 3 years ago, we stayed at this same exact tower. We are in the South Tower, which was built in 1987. Over there, as you can see, there's the North Tower, which was built in 1984. Now, I know 3 years ago we were on the 23rd floor. Now we're on the 15th floor, so we're 8 floors below than where we were last time. But still a nice view nonetheless. You see there's people in the pool down there. Of course, we're in the marina area of San Diego. There's that park. There's a nice walkway down there. Over here we have some Navy boats. Check that out. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Oh yeah, definitely Navy for sure. Very nice, very, very nice. And of course, across from here there's more buildings and homes, apartments and all that stuff. And over here you can see a little bit of downtown. Again, we're in the marina area of San Diego. Take one more look at the, let's see, there's spa. There's a smaller pool. There's the bigger pool here in this hotel. And the spa right there. I'm guessing if I can remember, that's a restaurant right there. I know this one down here is a restaurant for sure. Tequila Bar and Grill. As you can see down there, this is where you enter the hotel. Okay, anyways. Oh. There's an alarm speaker right there just in case of anything. There's the sprinkler for just in case of a fire. Of course, do not hang up any hangers up there, of course. There's an air vent. I'm guessing that's another air vent right here. And now, one more thing. And here is the bathroom. Looks exactly the same like the one we were in last time. In fact, this is how it would look like in every room in this hotel. Mayor, hello. Yes, I'm a little bit of a mess right now. It's kind of humid outside, just so you know. Okay, there's another nice picture. Here's another hanger for you can hang your coat or something. I don't know what this thing up here is, so I really can't tell you what that is. There's a toilet, another trash can. There's a phone right next to the toilet, which is good just in case if anyone has a medical condition or medical emergency, they can always call for assistance to come help you, just in case for an emergency, you know, which is really good. Down here we got, looks like in this bag is the hair dryer. Here's a roll of toilet paper, here's some towels. There's one right here as well. This right here is mine for my razor and deodorant and all that. In fact, some of our deodorant's over here. That hair comb is ours. Well, mine actually. More glass cups, tissue paper, 3 lights up here. There's your sink. Over here we have your conditioner, body lotion, shower gel, soap and shampoo. This is where you hold your shampoo, but for whatever reason the soap is right here. Duh. Over here we have a nice shower, which is really nice. I mean, it's small, but you know, it's pretty decent. Not bad at all. This switch here is to turn on the shower, and this one over here is to turn on the bathtub itself. This thing down here is where you block the drain. So yeah. Of course, there's another light up ahead. There's another one of these sprinklers in here too. And one here as well. I did not see that one. And last but not least, I think this is the last thing to see here. There's a mirror right here. Hello. Which, I'm going to be honest with you, I really don't like the fact that there's a mirror right here. This should be outside the door instead of inside the bathroom. Don't ask me why. But it looks like I just about showed everything in this bathroom. Yeah, it looks like I showed everything in the bathroom and in the hotel room itself. Just looking around just in case if I missed anything, of course. Let's see, did I miss anything? No, it doesn't look like I'm missing anything. Alright. Alright guys, well there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this hotel room tour here at the Marriott Marquis here in San Diego, California. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Sakalombre, AK Magnum 5 here. You all have a great rest of your day. Take care and bye-bye.